Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to clear browsing data on Chrome for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss of our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's start it. First we go to the Chrome application that you have been to install it from Play Store or App Store. After that, you can click the three dots in the upper of the corner here. And next you click the history, tap the history, and you can see this is the browsing data that you have been to search. How to be clear? You can click the clear here if you want to clear the all of the website. If you don't want to clear the all of the website, you can just click fold here and click fold. If you just want to clear the one or two the website. How to clear browsing data to all of the browsing data here? You can click clear browsing data and then you can click the basic or advanced. Okay, if you clear the basic, you just clear the browsing history, cookies and site data, and change image and file. And how the advanced, you can clear the browsing history, cookie and site data, change images, files, save password, autofill form data, and site settings. Okay, now you can just delete about the browsing data. You just click the basic here, and you can click the all time if you want to clear the all of the history. After that, you can click clear data here. Clear it Chrome data, blah blah blah. Okay, got it. And page that you visit appear here is empty. Okay, this is a tutorial how to clear browsing data on Chrome for Android. I hope this video is useful for you, and thank you.